And that's how you get fishing. Did you see that, everybody? A flatbed went into the water. I'm gonna go look to make sure nobody's inside. Yeah, nobody's inside. It's too heavy, I can't get it out. We need to find a machine that will lift it up out of the water. What could we use? Jonathan, do you know a machine that will help me lift the flatbed out of the water?
Yeah, a crane.
A crane? Good answer. We're gonna use a crane, everybody. Let's do it. Yeah, we need a crane. Hey, there's one. Let's use that. First, notice the crane has a string that we can lure down flatbed truck and hoist it up. Watch, I'll show you. See how the arm of the crane extends out? That's to get more length. And on the end of the crane, it has a hook with the rope. We'll use that, attach it to the flatbed truck, and hoist it up. Let's do it. I'm gonna go underwater, and when I tug on the rope twice, it's ready for you to pull it up. Lower the rope. Okay, pull it up. Pull it up. Good job, kids. We got it. Now we gotta pull it up with the crane. Woo! Pull it up. Yeah, we got it.
It's a Jonathan song, and he's singing along. He's happy all day, he loves to play Jonathan's way. It's a Jonathan day, it's a Jonathan song.
And that's how a crane works. Great job, kids. Hey, Jonathan, I want to play.